So what is Beeper app? This app recently gets quite high in the charts in social networking, and this is like a universal messenger app where you can just combine all the chat apps in one place, like WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, LinkedIn, iMessage, SMS on Android, Google Chat as well. So it's pretty handy, like these days each of us probably has like 5+ chatting apps. There are like chatting apps for work, there are chatting apps for friends, family. Every group for some reason just likes different app. You can't ask all the people, hey, I'm just using WhatsApp, can you just move everyone to WhatsApp? It doesn't work. Like, so you just all the time you will have 5+ apps. It's super annoying at the times. You need to have all the notifications enabled. But in this app, you just have everything in one place. All chats in one place, send messages to 10+ apps, never miss a message again. Search across all your chat apps. That can be quite handy. Prioritize chats that matter. Just basically organize chatting experience. So how to get started? You just go to their website. I guess no, that's their Airtable, but all your chats in one app, and then you can just get started. And then from here you can just read all of this. 15 chat networks, one app, secure encrypted chat, dark mode. And their business model, no ads. We sell an optional paid subscription with premium features. Our business model means that our interest 100% aligned with customers, yada yada. And then you just get started on the desktop. I recommend you to get started on the desktop. Why? Because if you sign up on iPhone, you will end up in the waitlist, and it's like the waitlist right now is like 60,000 people. So if you want to skip the waitlist, this app right now is just promoting referral codes. So in their official subreddit, you can find referral codes they're sharing themselves. They want to really fast get some users who are like really want to try out this app. So just go to their subreddit and you might be lucky. And then, you can just get the invite code and then sign up from the desktop and then download the iOS app, and then you should be good to go. And then if you just open up the app, then you just edit your username. Then on the left side you will kind of have all your chats, all your accounts, but I think you still need to add them on the desktop. So you will have like Telegram, LinkedIn, Twitter. So let me just show you. So for example, this I'm just have it opened up on the desktop, and then you will see how it looks like. So here on the left, you just have Telegram, LinkedIn, Twitter, iMessage, Instagram, Facebook, Google Chat. And then from desktop, you just need to log in with all the accounts you're using, like Signal, WhatsApp, just log in through there. And then, you will just, all of that appear here. Then you can just customize your spaces. You can pin and pin side, and then you just have all inbox in one place. It's pretty cool. And then you can also send messages to your contacts. You can sync your contacts, and then there's also archive. You can search through all these messages. Then there are all the settings. Change to the dark theme. There is help. And then if you want, you can delete your account here in the bottom. You can sign out, clear cache. Can be helpful with all these apps. So that's basically the idea of it. So that's what it is. And then here there's like a Beeper help. This is a private chat between you and the Beeper team. Please use this chat. So whatever. And then note to self, you can also send notes to self via messages. Then there are like Beeper updates from here. So pretty cool app. That's basically the app, and you can also have it on the desktop. It's not yet in the top charts in the App Store, but it's getting some early traction also through TikTok. It can be quite handy, to be honest. The more social apps you have, the more it can be annoying. But they also do not recommend to completely delete the apps, because this Beeper app is not that advanced. So it can be used for text messages, but probably not yet for video, audio calls, and all of that. So probably you just can disable notifications from, that's I think what they recommend, disable notifications from, like, for example, Telegram, and just have, or Signal, whatever, and then just have notifications only enabled for Beeper, while after you add a Signal, for example, to Beeper. And then you will just receive everything here in Beeper. But you still can keep those apps if you want to do some more advanced stuff, like if you want to do like video calls. And yeah, so that's basically the idea, what you can try. So that's the app. Pretty cool. Beeper Universal Messenger. Beeper Fast. So try it out. It doesn't have that many ratings. The average rating is pretty good. Some people say it's still very buggy, but worth it. So give it a try.